welcome to the Cheviot, this fantastic family home which was built about 25 years ago, but it's been made to look older in keeping with a lot of the other farm buildings around here. Let's go and have a look round and I'll give you the tour. So we start in the living room and then move into the second reception room. That fantastic wood burning stove, one of two found in this property. As you can see, the kitchen has space for a dining table, as well as all the usual appliances that you need. Now into the dining room. This is where the second wood burner is. You can see it's just a great space. Utility room and home gym. So here we find ourselves on the first floor office. It's fantastic work from home space, Velux windows here, lovely view over the drive, and of course you've got all this useful shelving here as well. Just a lovely space to work from home. This is the master bedroom with plenty of built-in storage space, an ensuite shower room. As you move through the property, you can see the bedrooms are all very well proportioned, with double beds and built-in furniture. Family bathroom. And as you can see, we now find ourselves outside in this fantastic covered entertaining space. Now, what I love about this house and this area is that when you've got family and friends over, you can sit, relax. You've got a pizza oven there, a barbecue, and you've got this wonderful outlook onto the garden, which is completely private. You're not overlooked at all. So it's a fantastic place to sit in the evening and relax with friends. Thank you for watching this video tour, and what a fantastic family home this is. Lots of space, lots of spaces to relax inside and out. And if you're interested in the property or know somebody that could be, please get in touch on the contact information that will follow now.